friends, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a really quick video. I wanted to announce the winner of the Simply Summer Table Runner Kit from Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This begins June 26th, and if you didn't win this kit today, you can head on over to their website, which I'll have linked below, to grab a kit and sew along with me on June 26th. If you want to sew your stash, that's perfectly acceptable as well. Don't forget to go over there and bookmark their website because that's the same place that they will have the patterns every single week. And also don't forget to join their Facebook group, and I'll link that down below as well. You will have to answer some questions as it's a private closed Facebook group, but it's a great place to show your progress and see everybody else's that's sewing along at the same time. Okay, so let's get to the reason why you're here. Let's see who won this kit. I'm going to pull up my random comment picker for YouTube. I'm going to pick a random comment and person and pop that name up here. Congratulations to the winner. As always, I wish I could give a kit to all of you, but I only have one. But I'm excited to sew this along with all of you. So I hope you join me June 26th. See you then. Bye.